Have you ever wondered if there's a perfect moment to hit the send button on that important email? Maybe you're waiting for a potential client's workday to begin, or you just don't want your message to get buried overnight from the thousands of other emails that they're subscribed to. That's where Mailbutler comes in. It's a really interesting plugin that you can add to Gmail, Apple Mail, and even Outlook. You can schedule emails to land exactly when you want them to without leaving your inbox. In this video, I'll walk you through step by step how to set it up and get the timing just right so you can always stay ahead of the game in terms of sending your emails. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to install Mailbutler on either Gmail or on Apple Mail and schedule your emails to reach people at just the right time. We'll cover key features like setting up the Mailbutler sidebar and customizing your email scheduling. So without further ado, let's get into it. Mailbutler is a powerful email companion for both Gmail and Apple Mail. Installation is super easy and straightforward. Simply click that link down in the description, which will take you to their website where you can either add the extension to your Google Chrome account or the option to download it onto your Apple device so you can install it into your Apple Mail settings. Once this is fully installed, you'll see a new icon that opens a handy sidebar. In Gmail, it's located on the toolbar to the right of your inbox. In Apple Mail, look for it in the upper right. From there, you can explore features like notes, tasks, and even their smart assistant, all within the same screen where you manage your emails, so you don't have to worry about going to a different platform or a different piece of software. Now for scheduling, you don't even need to leave your inbox either. Mailbutler scheduling tools are built right into the compose window, making it really easy to plan your messages and send them at the perfect time. Now before you dive into that, remember that Mailbutler scheduling works very differently based on your email client. In Apple Mail, you can even schedule emails completely offline, meaning you don't need an internet connection. That could be a huge advantage because for most people, you may have to leave your computer open just to schedule this Gmail to get sent out in the first place, but with Mailbutler, you don't have to worry about that. Meanwhile, in Gmail, you'll rely on the extension being active in your browser. Also, there's some advanced features that may require specific subscription tiers. Make sure you double check what's included in your pricing plan. If you ever switch between Apple Mail and Gmail, you might want to note that each setup has a slightly different workflow, and of course the ultimate layout is going to be a little bit different. But with that out of the way, let's actually show you how to schedule these emails in the first place. Now once you've installed the plugin onto your Gmail, you're going to want to restart or refresh your Gmail tab. You'll notice a Mailbutler icon on the toolbar to the right of the inbox. From here, you can explore your Mailbutler account settings, which are found under the three dots menu. You can customize everything from signature templates to your collaborators list with this. Now if you're on a Mac computer, it's just as easy. Download the Mailbutler extension for Apple Mail and follow the prompts to enable it, which is usually just a quick toggle in your mail preferences. After the installation is complete, you'll see a new Mailbutler icon in the upper right corner of Apple Mail. Clicking it will reveal the sidebar where you can add notes, tasks, or even snooze emails altogether. If you wanted to attach and reattach the sidebar, you can look for the diamond-shaped button next to the title. And just like with Gmail, your main Mailbutler settings are accessible through a three-dot menu, letting you create signatures, tweak preferences to anything that you want. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk about what we're actually here for, which is scheduling your emails. Now, in order to do this in Gmail, go ahead and open up a new message, look for the Mailbutler icon in the compose window, and click the schedule send button. Pick your ideal date and time, and Mailbutler will handle the rest. And on Apple Mail, it's just as straightforward, but with the added perk that you can schedule messages even when you're offline. There's no need to leave your Mac running all night. Either way, your emails will land precisely when they're most likely to be read, helping you communicate more effectively and getting higher open rates. And it's pretty much that simple to get started with scheduling your emails. Now, really quickly here, I want to go over some of the more advanced features that you get with some of the higher pricing plans that you can choose from with Mailbutler. As you can see on their pricing page here, they have a bunch of different options that you can choose from. The first of these is a 14-day free trial that you get with any of the plans that you choose. This means that you can get started with any part of Mailbutler completely for free for your first 14 days, meaning you can try out all their features, see how you like it, and if you end up liking it, you can obviously upgrade to the higher services to get even more features or just to continue to have access to those features. Now, as you can see, they have a tracking option, a professional option, a smart option, and a business option. Now, just as a quick note, if you switch from the monthly to the yearly option, you're going to be saving about 16%, which is a pretty decent discount. As you can see on those monthly options though, we're seeing here that tracking is about $3.95, which is probably one of their more useful features that you're going to want to take advantage of. Now in their professional plan, they have even more things like schedule your emails to send out later. This can be super helpful, especially if of course you want to schedule your emails and send them out every single day at a specific time zone. There's also other handy things like creating professional customized email signatures, inserting message templates, attaching notes, and doing everything else that's possible inside of this software. And then there's even the Smart Plan, which comes with a lot of AI-powered assistance, which is super helpful, especially if you don't really know what you're writing inside of your email software and you don't want to use ChatGPT or any of the other big chat bots that are AI-powered. And then, of course, there's even the Business Plan. If you have a huge team of people that are constantly sending out emails, this could be a really helpful tool to sign up with so they can start utilizing it and leveraging it in their day-to-day actions and their work that they're doing. Other than that, though, that's pretty much it. If you guys have questions about Mailbutler, make sure to leave them down in the comments section. Also, if you want to get an even greater discount, make sure to use the coupon code CharlieChangMediaDB at checkout for an even greater discount. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss any of our future videos. Also remember that the links down in the description are affiliate links and you could monetarily benefit from them at no extra cost to you. So thank you in advance for supporting us, and I'll see you guys in the next one.